You might be cooking with it every single day, but this oil could be quietly increasing your risk of stroke. A new study has just revealed a concerning link between a commonly used cooking oil and a significant rise in stroke risk. It's a type of oil that many households use without thinking twice. But according to the research, it may be doing far more harm than good. So which oil are we talking about? Seed oils, particularly the ones high in omega-6 fatty acids like sunflower oil, are now under serious scientific scrutiny. While once praised for being heart-healthy, new findings suggest that excessive use of these oils may trigger inflammation in the body, which plays a key role in increasing the risk of strokes. Let's break it down. Researchers found that regular consumption of certain refined seed oils may disturb the body's natural fatty acid balance. Instead of reducing bad cholesterol or improving heart health as previously believed, these oils could be contributing to oxidative stress and arterial damage over time. But here's where it gets even more alarming. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more eye-opening health studies, science-backed discoveries, and tips that could seriously impact your daily life. Now back to the issue. The problem isn't necessarily using these oils once in a while. The danger comes from how much and how often they're used, especially in processed foods, restaurant meals, and fried snacks. The study points out that most people are unknowingly consuming these oils in multiple meals a day. And the result? A steady, silent increase in stroke risk, especially when combined with other lifestyle factors like high blood pressure, sedentary habits, and poor sleep. Scene 2. Awareness and alternatives. It's not about fear, it's about awareness. Experts now recommend moderating your use of these oils and considering alternatives like olive oil or avocado oil, which are lower in inflammatory compounds and richer in heart-protective fats. This study isn't a trend, it's a wake-up call, one that could literally save lives if taken seriously. Want to dive deeper into the findings and what scientists actually said? The full article is linked in the first pinned comment. Go check it out.